Hello and welcome back. This train's at Crewe. Ooh. Here we are, a pair of 90s with a class 4 freight for, I believe, DAF, somewhere up north. Can't remember where. 90042 and 043. Double heading it through the station. Oh. With a nice long container train, which is usually stopped at the other end of this platform, but I don't know. Oh. Yep, I think the brakes are being applied. There's also 37601 for the Rail Operations Group down there, which brought in a Crossrail 345 unit down there. Oop, nice clean brakes. And that will be waiting to leave, so I'm going to try and stay around and capture that as that goes, because that's going to sound beautiful as it runs. Oh, hello. Squeaky brakes. That's power. He's obviously got the signal. Oh, there's a 390. Mount from London Euston. Couldn't it Stafford? Ah, London Euston only. 39103. Virgin Hero. Who? A high-vis man. Who? He looks like he's cleaning his windscreen wipers. It's also the Royal British Legion. Unity 103. You can just faintly hear the 37 purring away down there. And I shall continue when the 90s get moving. Oh, the 90s are off. With this pretty fully loaded container train, I'm not gonna lie. But by Jove, they got a bit of a kick on them. Being they've got at least 30 plus wagons in tow, fully loaded, this is an extremely fast acceleration. I believe this has come from Daventry International Rail Freight Terminal and is off to somewhere up north. Don't know where. Oh, 35129 is off towards London Euston via Stoke-on-Trent. It's still got the London Midland colours, but with the London North Western Railway livery, or logo, I should say. I'm just trying to check the points. Nope, still hasn't set it for this 37. So I'll continue if anything moves. Here we go. A 2-ton Super Voyager bound for Glasgow Central. This is Warrington, Banky, Wigan, North Western, Preston, Lancaster, Oxton, Lake District, Penrith, North Lakes, Carlisle and Glasgow Central. 22118. As the Arriva train 12175 is here and ready to depart towards Tenby, going all stations to Tenby via Shrewsbury. Oh, and I'll keep it rolling as we have the dual pairing of East Midlands trains 153s, and for Derby. These services will be terminated, I think, Utoxeter in the coming months as the Derby area is resignaled from the Network Rail scheme. 153321 leads. And 153383 Ecclesbourne Valley Railway 150 years. Sorry, 383, I apologise. Oh. And then the Arriva Transwells has got permission to depart, but it looks like it's got a while yet. And this Arriva Transwells will be locking up hour 37. So as soon as that leaves, we may or may not see it leave. Let's see. Oh, there's a 390 going to Manchester Piccadilly to platform number 1. It's 390-001, which is, I think it's Alstom Pendolino, if I'm not mistaken. Probably got this completely wrong, haven't I? Virgin Pioneer, do apologise. 390-001 Virgin Pioneer off to Manchester Piccadilly, Wimbledon Stockport and Manchester Piccadilly. The Arriva Transwells is having what looks like some passenger issues down there. That's been delayed for a bit. Yeah, let's see what else shall happen. And the 175 is finally off, departing around 5 minutes late now. 175104 off to Tenby, calling all stations to Tenby. And 391-001 is also off. I do know that Network Rail are working down at the north end of the station down there, so we've been getting a few tones from the guys departing, and they may even settle the road now for our the 37, which would be nice. So I'll keep an ear out for the points in case they change, but there might be another thing conflicting it, which there shouldn't be, but just in case there is. So yeah, let's see what else shot it up. So not much has actually happened. The 37 is still here, waiting for permission to leave. We are T5117, which went to platform 6, actually missed that one. And here's 390-043 off to London Euston. Going to staff from London Euston only. It's Virgin Explorer 390-043. And I don't know whether we'll be able to catch it. We should be able to. There's a 350 on the other side of the line, terminating in from the Euston via Stoke-on-Trent, which is the awkward service, which is, I believe, being proposed to be changed so it goes from London Euston to Preston via Stoke-on-Trent rather than Crewe, because it is the extremely inefficient hourly service to and from Crewe. This one terminates. It's 350. So I'm just keeping an eye out just in case this 37 makes a move. 350-101. So 121. Again, still in the London Midland colours with the London North Western Railway logo, which is a sub-brand of West Midlands Trains. I don't know what that was, I just heard that horn, it sounded so much like a 37. Okay, let's see what else shot it up. Here we go. And I've got a 175 with review Wells off to Manchester Piccadilly, Wilmslow Stockport and Manchester Piccadilly. I believe this has come off Fishguard Harbour. It's 175101. Looking a little beaten on the front, but there you go. Hopefully we should be able to get the 37 out pretty soonish now. So let's see. Here we go, 290 Pendolino. Bound for London Euston, calling London Euston only. On a few services that goes fast all the way south from here, as the other 350. Terminating in, sorry not terminating, going off to Liverpool Lime Street. 350 245, C90 136 departs. You see 245, this is, I think, can't remember where this one calls. Winsford, Hertford, Runcorn, Acton Bridge, Liverpool, South Parkway and Liverpool Lime Street. City of Coventry, it's the 390. There she goes. Let's see what else shows it up. Here we go, finally the moment we've all been waiting for, the 37601 with the light engine is off. Go on, girl. Here she goes, giving it her all. 37601 for the Rail Operations Group in europheonix livery. What an engine she is. Look at her go. I don't actually know what route she is taking, but if she's going on the main line, she's going to start thrashing. There she goes. There she goes! Go on, girl! Off into the distance. So thank you all very much for watching, and my patience was dearly rewarded with the fantastic 37601, which hauled the 345s in earlier. Wow. Thank you very much, and see you later.